In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create tables in Notion, step by step, so you can organize your information effectively. First, you'll want to open the Notion page where you'd like your table to be. If you're already familiar with Notion, you know it offers a powerful environment for managing tasks, projects, and lots of information in a very customizable manner. Once you're on your desired page, find an empty space where you want the table to appear and type Table. This little shortcut is a handy way to access Notion's table options quickly. When you hit Enter, a menu will pop up. Here, select the first table option you see. This operation will create a new table on your page, ready for your input. Now that you have your table set up, it's time to add content to it. You can do this simply by clicking directly into the cells. Just like that, you can start typing anything, be it text, numbers, or even dates. This feature makes it incredibly easy to organize your thoughts and data all in one place. Once you've started filling your table, you may need more space or decide that there are too many rows or columns. To adjust this, you can click and drag the borders of the table to add or remove columns and rows as needed. This flexibility allows you to tailor the table to fit exactly what you need, without being confined to a one-size-fits-all layout. As you're navigating through your table, you might find using the Tab key helpful. This allows you to move horizontally from one cell to the next, streamlining the data entry process. Now, there's another way to create a table that taps into Notion's database features. This might be useful if you're managing large sets of data and want to take advantage of Notion's database functionalities. To do this, type Database in the empty space, and then select Table from the drop-down menu. After that, you'll have the option to click on plus New Database. This enables you to establish a new database right there on your Notion page. If you already have an existing database on another page and want to have its view or section linked here, you can select it to create a linked view of the data. This is perfect for keeping everything interconnected and manageable from one central page. Finally, whether you're creating a new database or linking to an existing one, don't forget to give your database a name. This makes it easy to identify and allows you to easily manage multiple tables and databases effectively. Now that you've named it, you can start adding all the data that you need, taking full advantage of Notion's robust table functionalities. This process will not only enhance the organization, but also elevate how you manage data effortlessly within Notion.